Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Alright guys, I have a problem. These are all bushings for making pens or keychains, thread rippers, things like that. So, yeah, big problem. But we have a solution. Hey guys, so we are going to fix that problem. But this is Mr. I don't have a name yet. So, yeah. Put a name down in the comments what you think he looks like. I think he looks like Rocket from the Avenger movies. So, he also does this little with his teeth. Alright, you can go down. So, anyway, yep, that's our new little guy. We haven't picked a name yet for him. So, yeah, if you have a name for him, leave it down in the comments. And while you're at it, give the video a like and subscribe. So these boxes are our solution. They have like little trays so they won't pop out, we won't lose them, and on top of it they slide together. And then you can stack them indefinitely. And by the way, I have 32 sets, different types of bushings. 32. I picked up 36 of these. I thought it was going to be plenty. Barely plenty. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the bushings. Most of these are PSI, even though some of them are like Rockler. There's still a PSI number for the bushing themselves. The other thing is some of these, like the Navigator, also is Sonona. Bushing also, so we need to put the names. So we're going to put the name of what pins that these bushings work for. And then, let me find one of these. This actually has a part number. Let me get that in there close. See right there. 148019. Alright. So we're going to put that part number on there also, just in case we do see a new pin kit that comes out. Because like the Everyday Carry or the Anvil or some of the other pin kits, that they might get another pin that gets used on those. So, I'm not going to bore you by sitting here showing you exactly how we're going to do this, but we have like a little ticker tape thing and it prints out the names, and then we're going to stick them all on all 32 boxes, and we'll have 4 left over. But yeah, and then we're going to attach it to the wall with the sign. So we're going to have to rearrange that. So when you see me again, you'll see me in the shop with all these marked, and then we're going to figure out a pattern to put them onto the wall, because if you could do this, you can also slide them on the side. We can make a pattern that goes across the board, make it interesting looking, not just a big square rectangle-ish looking thing on there. So, alright, I'll see you in the shop after I do all that. Alright guys, so it's a day or two later. Don't worry about that. But it took a really long time to actually make all the little labels. Let me show you one of these boxes. So, all the PSI numbers are on there, and then the type of pen it is, blah blah blah. So, nice and labeled. So, there you go. Now, as you can see, I kind of took everything down. I took the sandpaper off the wall, and then that's where the Naughty Devil sign was. We're actually going to move that to the upper right corner here, and then we're going to kind of fill this around Try to maybe still leave this here, but I might have to move it up and down a little bit just for those boxes. But let's get the sign hung back up. I'm gonna drill some holes into it and then hang it up, and then figure out what our dimensions are and start hanging them. All right. Alright guys, so this is the design we have come up with. The only problem is with this design, the only expansion we have is this way. We have to take this off to add to this side. So if you're ever going to build with these, build from the left corner, the upper right corner, and work your way the other way. So that you always can add, kind of. So right, top, then down. Alright guys, so we put some little pile of holes up there. We marked those holes. I'm going to get 2 screws up there. Should hold it perfectly fine. Without all those little bends in it, they're really not that heavy. Oh, you know what? Forgot. Oops. We're going to have to do it this way. And then we'll get this up. Slap that on the wall. Come on, baby. I know I can fit you. There we go. Then we can get that like right there. Oh, we're going to have to put this one in by hand, I think. Alright. Let's grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Have one right there. That up. I don't think the drill is going to reach in there very well. And Bob's your uncle. Look at that. This thing really is not that heavy. Those bushings, on the other hand, dear God, are they heavy. It doesn't look like that much metal, but when you throw them all in a box, it gets to be a little much. So we're going to go ahead and put a couple more screws in, put them all up there. I don't think you guys need to see me drilling a couple holes and stuff like that. So I'll show you the end results when we get done. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is going to be an ever evolving thing, because guess what? I still had another set of bushings that I just realized I had. So this is for that the everyday carry, the EDC. I was just like, hey, where's that one at? Because I have one on the wall that we haven't made yet. I actually got quite a few on the wall that, if you guys look, you could actually see future pins. But so we're gonna have to just add to the wall. The easiest thing I'm gonna have to do is probably take those 2 screws out, just lift this thing up, and then add one in. So yeah, that's just gonna kind of suck, but it is what it is. So let me know what you guys think of my solution for my bushings. The other thing I could do is I can actually get rid of that one, put that in there, which I'll probably do right now so I don't lose it. If you guys made it this far, please give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Yeah, we're going to have some more content coming out very soon. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Alright, see you next time.